Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can manage Gemini 3.5 Flash usage limits safely and get the most out of the service. So let's get started. If you've reached a Gemini 3.5 Flash usage limit, it's important to know that these limits are set by Google to ensure fair access and stable performance for all users. There isn't a legitimate way to bypass those limits, but there are several ways to work more efficiently within them. First, make your prompts as clear and specific as possible. Well-written prompts often produce better results in fewer messages. Instead of sending multiple short requests, combine related questions into a single detailed prompt. Next, save important responses and continue building on existing conversations when appropriate. This can reduce the number of repeated requests you need to make. You can also check whether Google offers higher usage limits through paid plans or developer options. If your work requires more AI usage, upgrading your plan may be the best solution. Finally, if you've hit a temporary limit, simply wait for the usage quota to reset. Most AI services refresh limits after a certain period of time. By using these tips, you can maximize your productivity with Gemini 3.5 Flash while staying within the platform's terms and guidelines. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.